Ayaw mo bang kumain ng dugo? No problem! Panoorin mo hanggang dulo.
Uy! Ano ba?
Okay.
Nguya ka na nguya.
Ha?
Nguya ka na nguya.
Naginip ako, makain daw ako sa samyup eh.
Tara. Gutom na rin ako.
Samyup tayo?
Tara.
Tara! Rich kid, parang di naman. Kaya yan. Ay, hindi yan. Ito, ma'am. Yan ang gusto ko.
Premium meal.
Kasi tara na, gutom na kami. Good for two cute person. Yeah. Ayan, madaling-madali na siya. Ito, layo naman. Pero in order naman.
Checklist tayo sa order, ma'am. Dala po yun.
Yes.
First order natin.
Beef agad.
Beef.
Beef agad, be.
Ano ba yung available? Eh, di lahat na.
B1, B4.
B1,
Yes,
B4.
yes.
oh.
Lahat yan titikman natin.
Tapos,
So, meron na naman exam. Dapat nag-review ka. Exam na naman sila.
4 items, no? Per pack, 4 items. So,
Apo.
kung 2 packs,
Watching the big picture, man.
Ayan na. Alisin to. Ay, hindi ba ito inalis?
naalisin din.
Diretso na ba to? Nakabukas na to? Di pa. Nakabukas na.
Ah, okay na yun.
Pwede na yan, ano?
Talaga may ganito?
Para sa, ano?
Kung buo na susunugan, sir, pwede niyo po papalit.
Okay. Kuya, saan dito yung chicken na, ano?
Teriyaki po.
Oh,
Ito po
chicken.
yung teriyaki. Tapos ito po, sadyo, base po. Tapos suka.
Okay, salamat bossing. Siyempre, start na tayo ng ihaw-ihaw, ano? Lagay lang kami ng lagay kahit di naman kami marunong talaga magluto. Naks, kala mo talaga marunong eh. Ang sese niya, no? Salamat. Uy, hilaw pa yan. Ayaw pa kuha. Dahil matagal yan, dito muna tayo. Kahit pa natin. Pakarami ng side dish, ano? Side dish pa lang, busog ka na eh. Ay, hindi pala to kaya. Nagpapanggap pa kasing marunong mag-chopsticks. Meron pa silang paam. At habang ako'y nag-aantay ng niluluto na to, mukhang may nakadukwang na. Ka na? Baliktad mo nga, wala pa yan, hindi pa yan. Todo na kaya yung ano niyan, yung apoy. Talagang takam na kami. Hindi ba halata? Parang pusang nag-aabang ng isda, oh. At nung hindi na ako talaga makapagpigil,
Ano?
Little coke body, stepping in the potty. On her own, she don't need nobody. I'm the but you knew that though. I ain't stressing, just collecting what they owe me for. I'm laid back, soft life, I don't care. No, they mad, make 'em mad, can't do nothing but stare. I don't blame 'em, but I'm letting you know. If I show up to the party, I'll be making it snow. Cause it's the lifestyle, not the price tag. Yeah, I'm getting money, and you can stay mad. Pop a big tag, make 'em big mad. And if I ain't doing nothing, I'ma get it back. Might just cop a jack and burn 100 now. Just to reminisce when we was counted out. When we was dust out, but now we count it in. Know they haters, but they ain't it cause we made it big. I'm ready to party, ready to leave. Ready to drop all my kids to my feet. I'm ready to get up, ready to go. Didn't know then, well now you know. I'm turned up, and got a hater mad. And as long as she keep it cute, I ain't even mad. And if I caught the Bentley, then I'll get the Jag. And spend 100,000 and pop 100 tags. I can't complain, life's been amazing cause I'll
Grabe to. Ayan, napala mo sa sobrang takaw mo para katuloy islot.